Hey everyone, so excited to be here at NRF in New York City at the Javits Center. I'm joined by my colleagues and partners from Google, and we're really excited about the three pillars of what we're going to be talking about, the partnership that we've developed, a new product launch that's really exciting, how we want to go to market into the digital signage space with a very secure OS that's very necessary for our customers, and then really talking about the ease of deployment, how flexible this device is and the solutions that we have to support all of our customers in many verticals throughout. So joined on my left is Felipe Ho.
Yes, hi, my name is Felipe Ho, and I lead our digital signage ecosystem partnerships globally for ChromeOS at Google.
Awesome. And then Edward Doan.
Howdy everyone, Edward Doan. I look after the ChromeOS engineering part of the business, and I am based out of Austin, Texas.
So it's really exciting to be here with all of you. And we're going to start with our key element of why we even did this, right? Our partnership element. So Lenovo, obviously, tier one, Google, a tier one, really looking at all of the ecosystem of capabilities, resources that we have, and how this partnership that we've embarked on can really help our customers leverage those levels of expertise, but also those resources that we have in that ecosystem. So I know you work a lot with the strategic partnerships at Google. You know, this has been kind of like the beginning of an amazing journey with Lenovo. So tell me a little bit about what you have experienced so far, what you look forward to, and then what else we're offering to our customers.
Yeah, so with Chrome being a secure operating system, we're happening in the background, right? So you can't do it with just the operating system. You have to have reliable hardware, so OEM partners. You have to have, trusted software partners, and that's why we have the Chrome Enterprise Recommended program where we validate the solutions that can run on Chrome and Lenovo hardware. And then, of course, all the channel partners. And so, we knew that as we were embarking on this journey of bringing a purpose-built device for digital signage into space, that Lenovo was the obvious choice because, we have such a strong partnership together. Edward has worked with the Lenovo team for so long, and it was just one of those things where, it made sense.
Absolutely, and I mean, definitely focusing on our channel division as well and kind of bringing that forward. But even as we're thinking about digital transformation in retail, with a lot more displays, kind of driving content management, remote management, all of those things that our retail customers are experiencing, we really test this in all the environments to make sure that our customers know we understand their pain points. And so building solutions like this, I think, is really critical.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that.
Yeah, so. And then again, in addition to the partnership element, we have this notion that security and reliability is also very critical. You mentioned our reliable hardware. Lenovo obviously being the number one PC provider in the world, we also make the most innovative and the most reliable products. This product is the Google Chromebox Micro, which is what we're featuring here, and a solution for our digital signage and retail customers. This is definitely fully reliable from a hardware perspective. It has been certified and mil-spec tested, and that way we can secure that our customers are getting strong, reliable hardware. On the ChromeOS side, right, Edward, I'm going to kind of pass it to you. It's such a fun little device,
Yeah.
It's so small. Tell us a little bit about how the ChromeOS is really driving reliability and security in this space.
Yeah, thanks, Joanny. So ChromeOS has been a mainstay in education and consumer markets for a long time, especially with Lenovo devices powering a wonderful educational technology experience for tens of millions of students around the world. And we thought, okay, if this is a piece of software and a piece of hardware that has been battle tested with everything from kindergartners through college students at scale, then maybe we can take that same operating system and bring it into enterprise contexts. Retail, back of the house, front of the house, digital signage, media players. The reliability and security of the box comes in play because of a couple of things. One, is to earn this Chromebox logo. This device was developed hand in hand as a partnership between Lenovo and Google. So every component was scrutinized carefully to make sure it would provide top performance and top reliability. Secondly, this is the most robust and secure operating system for enterprises. We have had zero malware ever on ChromeOS. And so that kind of security really means a lot for retailers who cannot afford to have downtime due to some IT security incident.
Right. Especially with so much data, right? And you're thinking about data integrity. Customers and retailers are thinking about images, content, photography, all of that data, and they definitely want to make sure that there isn't the possibility of anything being hacked. So it's amazing that the ChromeOS software can provide that level of security.
And it's not just software, but it's also hardware. We've got the Google security chip called Titan built onto the motherboard of this device. And so from a hardware perspective, it's secure. And even if you were to somehow extract the data from this device, it's fully encrypted and useless to any would-be hacker.
Yeah, and I think one thing to point out is that we work with so many customers, and we know that the customers have choice, right? There's a lot of options out there, almost too many options, I think, right? But what's unique about working with Lenovo and Google is that that you're getting not only that device, as well as that OS, you're getting the whole ecosystem. You're getting the support from the Lenovo and Google team to really, take that digital signage deployment to the next level. And that's what I really love about that partnership and our offerings together.
And on the notion of partnerships and solutions, the ease of deployment is another really important thing. So I want to point out, this is the in-store screen product called the Inflex. This is obviously a monitor. It can be mounted, it can be used and doubled as a point of sale device, or even just digital signage content for conferencing solutions. One of the really cool things is you can put the Google Chromebox Micro, and now it's an all-in-one device. So now, not only are you streamlining all of your content through an all-in-one device, but you're also leveraging power, you're also being a little bit more efficient, and you can deploy any digital signage application, run any CMS platform that can support your specific business. So that multi-level customization, that ease of deployment is another really good part of this partnership, because we can bring in our external partners. That's where that ecosystem play comes in. Yep. In-store screen being one of our valued third-party partners.
And one more thing I'll add about deployment. I mean, you can see this device is about the size of a smartphone. Similar to your smartphone, it's got a USB-C port here in addition to an array of ports. But what's different than most desktop PCs is that this one port can provide all your power and input-output through a single cable, which means a greatly simplified deployment process.
Yes, time to productivity, time to revenue, right? That's what our retailers want. So excited that we had to share a few minutes together, talking about our solutions, most importantly, talking about our partnership. We have created such a buzz in the market. We launched this product a month ago at Digital Signage Experience and now at NRF. And so the buzz is out. So we're excited to work with all of you. Reach out to your Google team, your Lenovo team. We will bring all of these devices to you, and we hope to look forward to more opportunities to work together.
Yeah, absolutely. Super excited.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.